Hi, this is David Stolfo from MarineMax in Beaufort, Georgia. Hope you're doing great. Today I wanted to show you our SDX 270. It's a 2019 model. This boat is a black exterior hull with the black sports tower. The boat is powered by a Mercruiser 6.2 liter V8 engine that puts out 350 horsepower. It's got a Bravo 3 outdrive with a twin counter-rotating propeller set, so it gets out of the hole great and runs really, really nice. Love the walk-through transom. You've got your dune color for your interior. Goes real nicely with the brown SeaDek that you'll see throughout the boat. This particular one has the submersible swim step, which I love. Also, you've got your infinity woven flooring inside here, so it pulls the color all together. Got a nice big bimini top off of your sports tower. This boat has the tilt wheel, premium tilt wheel, the Fusion Bluetooth stereo. You've got your digital dash with the Simrad here and the vessel view, which is a super nice option that we like to get on our Sea Rays here. Really nice roomy bow. You actually have the nice armrest here. This boat performs magnificently. It looks even better. It's here at Beaufort, Georgia at MarineMax. You can give us a call with any questions you have. We can be reached at 770-614-6968. I'm David Stolfo. Thanks for looking at the boat with me.